In the wake of dropping to a 52-week low toward the beginning of November, the protection-centered cryptographic money Zcash is beginning to recuperate. The ZEC protection coin has acquired 11% in the beyond 7 days, starting around the 23rd of November. Zcash is currently hoping to saddle force as it intends to change to a proof-of-stake agreement component before long. A digital currency has as of late distributed new examination to keep fostering this objective. Here we investigate the most recent Zcash cost expectation and the elements that will shape its future cost. What is Zcash? Zcash was sent off on the 28th of October 2016 by the Electric Coin Organization and depends on the Bitcoin blockchain codebase. The coin was sent off 2 years after Monero, another security-centered digital currency, to satisfy the market need for protection and mysterious exchanges. Dissimilar to Bitcoin, where exchanges could be followed on the blockchain, uncovering the addresses of the wallets, Zcash's exchanges are encoded. Zcash embraced Bitcoin's open record framework and utilizations a cryptographic procedure called zero information evidences to scramble data about the record's clients. This empowers clients to create unknown exchanges, and the subtleties must be seen with allowed admittance. As per Cryptassets cost following site CoinMarketCap, Zcash has a stock cap of 21 million coins and coursing supply of 15.7 million coins. Zcash's market cap was $691 M, with it positioned 55 out of all digital currencies. Starting around the 23rd of November, change to confirmation of stake ECC will move from its ongoing convention of evidence of work to POS by 2024. The progress will empower ZEC holders to become validators, excavators on the blockchain, and the handling power will be straightforwardly proportionate to the holder's stake. Rather than using energy to tackle the POW puzzle, POS excavators are restricted to handling a level of exchanges that mirror the quantity of tokens they hold. This would definitely decrease the energy utilization utilized in the mining system and cut down the utilization of single-reason equipment, like application-explicit coordinated circuit machines utilized in the computational cycle in POW. Likewise, it would restrict unpredictability or cost drops in ZEC, as clients won't have to offer their tokens to finance the costly energy bill utilized in the computational cycle expected in POW. Because of a 6 greater handling power, numerous diggers deserted the more slow realistic handling unit to mine Zcash, prompting an underlying drop of action a long time back. We encountered the effect of the acquaintance of a SIC's excavators with Zcash in 2018. How much action on the Zcash chain immediately dropped by 80% as numerous Zcashers had to leave their GPU excavators as their means for procuring ZEC, ZECC. As clients stake their property to become validators, excavators of exchanges on the ZEC organization, the progress to POS could prompt lesser Zcash and dynamic dissemination. This has prompted expanded purchasing of the digital money, and to the cost floods seen throughout the week. A day after the ECC's declaration, Barry Silbert, the organizer and chief of investment firm Computerized Money Gathering, tweeted that he would purchase more Zcash tokens, referring to the digital currency's restricted stock of 21 million. All the more as of late, on the 15th of June 2022, ECC distributed a broad update on its forthcoming change to POS and the fundamental examination. Yet, it seems to in any case be quite far out from progressing to the energy-proficient agreement system. The post said, "These exploration regions don't yet zero in on the progress plan. We will direct our concentration toward the progress plan as different regions and more extensive statistical surveying and prerequisites become more clear." Zcash cost history. Zcash is a more seasoned digital currency as it sent off on the 29th of October 2016. That very day, the cryptographic money hit its unequaled high of $5,941 and has not had the option to come anyplace close since. The security coin figured out how to pick up speed again in 2018, when it arrived at a high of $880 on the 1st of July. Yet, Zcash quickly remedied descending and remained beneath $100 for the following 2 years. It at last went as far as its unequaled low of $18.94 on 13/Walk 2020. The buyer market of 2021 prompted more gains for Zcash. It saw a consistent move in the principal quarter and hit a high of $370.14 on the 12th of May. In any case, the protection coin before long withdrew and shut the year at $146.56. While it succumbed to 2022's bear market, there was bullish information for Zcash toward the start of the year. In a declaration in spring, U.S. President Joe Biden perceived the significance of protection in a proclamation about computerized resources. He said, "The U.S. ought to guarantee that shields are set up and advance the dependable improvement of computerized resources for keep up with security." Zcash in this way mobilized and arrived at a high of $195.78 toward the month's end. In any case, keeping up with this energy and in the end kept falling all through the remainder of the year couldn't. It went as far as a 52-week low of $34.16 on the 9th of November. This followed a more extensive bear market after the ruin of Sam Bankman-Fried's cryptographic money trade FTX. At the hour of composing, on the 23rd of November, Zcash had quickly returned and was exchanging at $43. The security coin was up 11% in the previous week, yet at the same time down 16% over the earlier month. Zcash cost expectation gathered together. Given the pinnacle and box of Zcash since its send-off, experts were clashed over a ZEC cost forecast, starting around the 23rd of November. At the hour of composing, said there was nonpartisan feeling with 15 specialized markers flagging sell and 15 bullish signs. Be that as it may, its apprehension and avarice list was showing an intense trepidation rating. The site's Zcash coin cost expectation guessed that it could fall 16% to $36.68 on the 23rd of December. One more negative gauge was given by which depicted it as a terrible venture. It proposed ZEC might have tumbled to $4.30 in a year. The site's Zcash cost expectation for 2025 assessed it might have remained at the $4 level toward the start of the year. Then again, Zcash cost expectation for 2023 was more hopeful and it assessed that it might have accomplished a normal cost of $52.90. The site offered the figure that the protection coin might have hit $189.92 in 2025 and $618.82 in 2030. Likewise, guessed that Zcash could average out at $63.71 in 2023 and $130.63 in 2025. Its Zcash cost expectation for 2030 assessed it to might have then happened to $813.73. While considering a Zcash crypto cost expectation, it's vital to remember that digital currency markets remain very unstable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital currency tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own exploration. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized in major examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to going with any venture choice. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Furthermore, never exchange with cash that you can't stand to lose. Whether you want to put resources into Zcash is an inquiry that you should respond to for yourself. Before you do as such, be that as it may, you should direct your own examination and never put away more cash than you can stand to lose on the grounds that costs can go down as well as up. Starting around the 23rd of November, investigators are partitioned. Digital coin price anticipated that Zcash's cost should ascend in the short to long haul. In any case, wallet investor expected a dive 1 year from now. Having said that, online forecasters frequently misunderstand their expectations. So you ought to come to your own conclusion about whether you figure the cost will rise or fall in unstable cryptographic money market. It is essential